Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add users in Zoho. Now once you launch your Zoho dashboard, whether it's Zoho Books, Zoho CRM, Zoho Mail, all you need to do is come here to the top right, click on the gear cog for your settings. Then you want to scroll down and look for this option that says users and roles. Go ahead and click on users. Now if you're on a Zoho Books, you can also invite an accountant. So if I come and click on this one, you just put in their name and their email address and a role will be created for the accountant user. Okay, then just send them the invite. Or what you can do is click on invite user and choose from different options. For example, admin, or staff, timesheet staff, or staff that are assigned to specific customers only. I'll go ahead and invite another admin. We'll name it Pioneer. Okay, and let me paste in this email address. Okay, then once we do this, all you need to do is go ahead and click on send invite. And once you do this, you should see this option or the pop-up come here. And as you can see, they are invited. So once they go ahead and click on this invited symbol will go away and they'll show up as a normal admin without this. And it's really that easy and simple.